birds. When I went to get my phone, there was about 5 of them out. There's a couple. See if they will come out from those trees. See them behind the trees? Like I said, there was about 5 of them. Oh, where'd they go? I went to get my phone to video them and they're behind that tree flying. There's 2 of them there. Like I said, there was about 5 of them when I went to get my phone. Looks like a couple of birds in that tree there. Now where'd those big birds go? Flying. Oh, yes. I wish the rest of them would come back up with that Lone Ranger. Trying to catch them in flight, but they keep moving. I don't see any of them now. Like I said, there was about 5 of them. Those trees are in the way. There's one on the other side of that tree. There's a couple of birds flying around over there. Kind of hard to tell, they're tinier. There's 2 of the big ones flying behind that tree. I wish they'd come out so we could see multiples of them. I'll go back in the sky so we could see you. They're flying behind those trees. I don't know if you're seeing them or not. I know those trees are kind of blocking them a bit. That's just a neighbor calling his dog. Where are you, birds? Where'd you all go? More gray clouds, probably more rain. With that puddle right in front of my shed, I'm not going in and out of the shed, it's ankle deep. And my sneakers will be soaked for a month. At least we got a couple of the birds on video. It would have been nice if I got them all on video. They went flying from this spot here all the way over to where we saw them behind those trees. Come back, birdies, at least 2 of you. I'd be happy if 2 came back in the view of the camera. Hello, honeys. And you over there. Let's get some of the sky in a few spots. The rain clouds. Oh, we got a cow mooing. But unfortunately I'm in front of the house, not behind it. Although the cow could be a few feet away at the front end of their property near the bus stop. Boy, we're getting everything today. Cows, dogs, birds. Sounds like some singing over here. I end this video, I bet you those big birds will come back. Sounds like some singing here too, a bit. Come on. Oh, sorry, girly. Birdie, come back in the view of the camera. Bring some of your friends back. Be nice to see you all in one spot. Oh, that one cow is ticked off the way she's mooing. There's one of the birds. I wish you would bring its friends back. Oh, come a little closer, birdie. Oh, there's another one. Come closer. Oh my gosh. They're so big. Stay, birdie, stay. Where he is going. Bye, birdies. Oh, and here comes another one coming. Not sure what kind of birds they are. They're huge. Oh, there's my finger in the video. Didn't want that. Really, big mouth? Really, you big mouths? How are you doing? Enjoying your snack? Okay, you could take it to go. Bring some to Gigi. Bye, Izzy. You gonna bring some to Gigi? Oh, there goes that cow again. Even the cows are boisterous. There's nothing there. What are you barking at? Nothing but my sister's car and the garbage can. What you all woofing at? Woof, woof, woof. Dogs barking, birds chirping. Dog eating. Cows mooing. And that's Precious Wishes and Sweetie Petey. And your shadow was in the door. Yes. You're a cutie pie too. So you all doing good? No one's still chomping away? Gonna have some of your snack? You want some snack? How about you? You want some snack, guard dog? How about you, lazy one? Lazy one? That's okay. You're all doing something. Good night. Nighty night. Enjoy your snack. Come on, hop along. Coming back for more. Stay. Be nice. There's plenty there. Plenty, plenty, plenty. No need to argue over food. Enjoying her little picnic that she's making herself. That's where it sounds like the bird sounds are coming from. The guard dogs. They're so tiny, they're ankle biters. You're arguing with the bird. Really? You choose to argue with the bird that you don't even have near you. Why are you arguing with the bird? And that one is still having her one dog picnic. And the neighbor's dog has come to join us. And that one's a neighbor's dog too. That one, she belongs at the other end of the property, but that's okay. We don't mind. We take them all. We feed them all. That's all right. Back for more snack? More for that one dog picnic? You here for the picnic too? You here for the doggy party? Do you enjoy that drink of water? Have some snack. Take as much as you like. Enjoy the doggy picnic. And we got car horns going. Even in Florida, people are in such a rush. Well, I'm going to end this video now. You all have a great day. Bye.